Testing, testing. Wall Street Pete. Is anybody out there? Is anybody out there this morning? It is Thursday, football kickoff. And most of all, the crypto news is coming to you this morning. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. If you're still sleeping, let's get those little crusties out them eyes. Good morning, Wall Street Pete. Yeah. Feeling the beat. And Solana, your mama, is a thriller. It's after midnight. I'm still awake. My money's feeling kind of tight. Don't know what to do. I'm here for you. Just hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. Yeah, going to the moon. Going soon. It's a kind of a thriller. Wanna be a ghost face killer? Hit the like, subscribe, going on a ride. You already know. Sicto, crypto. It's the Wall Street Pete Sicto Crypto, where we give you TA crypto news and some beautiful music with a little bit of positivity riveting. Here we are. Let's get it. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, baby. Who's feeling good, baby, this morning? Crack of dawning. It's after midnight. Watch Wall Street, Pete, don't know what to do. Got Algorand. I got some Ethereum, go buy some. Yeah, we got Solana. Don't know what to do, just buy some. Oh, yeah. Sicto. Crypto. Here we come, baby, without further ado. Down below, we'll have to leave that instrumental there. That was beautiful. I love the thriller. It was a thriller, and it still is. And if you pay attention to Solana, what a thriller it's been. Hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and you already know we're going soon. Wall Street Pete here for you. I hope you don't mind the music, the craziness. Yeah, we love music. We love positivity. It is football day, so congratulations to the Bucks, as you are the new season champions. And that's crazy. Tom Brady is the GOAT. I'm a New York Giant fan. You already know that. Tom Brady's the GOAT. If you don't believe me, then I don't know what to tell you. Don't believe me just once. Bum, 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 bum. Ah. And if we go to Solana, your mama, and I can talk about your mama because I ain't got one. And that's just my joke. It doesn't mean nothing. Words are words, right? But real as steel is the volume. Wall Street Pete. What's up, Aaron? I hope you're having a great morning. Here we are, getting some green candles daily. And if you followed me, you would have been able to buy 2 days ago, September 7th, when I said $250, $250. Speaking of bucks, Aaron. Selner, Wally says what's up, but a $250 prediction. And if you did watch, which obviously I'm not a registered financial advisor, but if you did watch this and it only got 9 likes, right, who cares? Pay attention to Solana. I do believe Solana can hit $250. That's the ending of my prediction. $250 and Solana's going to make a big correction. There's no way it's going to keep going. It may do that 200. Woo! So, ladies and gentlemen, when we were trading there, I want to give you a quick pay attention as we do crypto news as well. You got to understand, this is where we were September 7th. You could have bought it at 138 and bought the dip, as I bought some. So now I'm prevailing right now, and it's looking pretty good, as you would see. This is just the daily. And how many days have we had good days on Solana? Let's be honest, right? Can we be honest with ourselves, or just the chart, or just use your eyes? This is kind of crazy. And since I've been talking about it, not since I've been in it, but if you look down here, $74, August 26th, how long ago was that? That was 9 plus the 5 days, so 14 days. 14 days ago, you could have been getting Solana at $70. Like, what? What? Right? And this is what we do. We do this for you, a little crypto news, and we got some other news. If you've not ever heard of FTX, it is another platform where a lot of people are getting some recognition here now, and you're going to be able to trade here. They got Maker, they got Matic to the Attic, Aave, Yearn Finance, and sushi and Solana. There it is. Speaking of Solana, your mama. And here it is. They're getting big, and this is something a lot of people are going to start getting some free crypto. I'm sure they're going to advertise. Download FTX if you're in the U.S. app today and get all the power of it. So, it's going to show you how to receive payments using it. You could transfer some money. I'm sure they have wonderful promotions. My reason I'm talking about it is it's starting to go through the roof. If you like the crypto news, hit the like, subscribe. Don't get dagged. Good one. Good morning, Anwar. Good morning, Anwar. Good morning, Travis. And NFL star Rob Gronkowski starting to pay attention. Voyager with Voyager Digital. September 9th news. And as we get closer to the September 11th, as I've worked on Wall Street, 2 more days, 20 years. Holy sheniznik. I can't believe 20 years. Whew. Wild stuff there as I'm going off topic crazily, but that just reminded me. The NFL superstar is now a brand ambassador for the Voyager digital crypto company, as well as a shareholder of Voyager token. That's big news, VGX. So that's some big news there. Something really cool. I like that. It's also the Bucs tight end is following the footsteps of his QB Tom Brady, who recently signed a familiar deal with crypto exchange FTX. So this is starting to get a little bit of a FOMO feel. Follow me on Instagram if you have not yet, wallst.pete. And if you don't, you won't get breaking news at 4 in the morning. This is 3 hours already. This was 3 hours at 4 in the morning. Stephen Curry has agreed to a long-term deal with FTX official, becoming a global ambassador for the crypto exchange. Curry will also receive an equity stake in the company as part of the deal, joining Tom Brady's as the shareholder. So we're really getting... So now the best of the best are really starting to get involved here. Ladies and gentlemen, we know who Stephen Curry is. We know who Tom Brady. As Tom Brady announced this morning, he wants to be following Jordan's footsteps, not Joe Montana. Wow, what a statement. So Solana, as we dollar cost average in, and as I will be taking profits at the 250 level, I don't care what anyone says. I'm going to sell 2, 3, 4 Solana as I go along just to test the waters. And there it is. It's about, wow, it's kind of crazy. I stopped right there. No, 265. So as we get to the 250 level, there it is. Pay attention, Solana. I want to make this a big deal because a lot of people are sleeping on Solana. And even I heard some people sold. And you know what? As soon as they sold, we went to the 215 range. And it hurt a lot of people. And I can't believe it's still doing it. But here we are on the relative strength index chart on the daily. So we're looking to get a little bit of a retracement coming. So yeah, should take profits probably by now. Let's be honest, right? Let's get to the 4-hourly as we calm down. Yep, looking again. We can pump up a little more, and then we might want to take some profits coming soon here. So let's look. I see a downward trend on the hourly. Then we get to the 15-minute, and then I see another pump coming. It's like, holy shit. So the more and more I get to the more short term on my RSI levels, I like the way it looks. I'm going to do a couple other things real quick. I just want to, listen, cryptocurrency, you have to pay attention to the news. You have to pay attention to a lot of things. We're going to get back to more other news. Let's see. We got some Algorand news to talk about. Relative strength index chart we did. The EMA Bollinger Band. And as we see here, if you see the bands flying up like crazy, on the 15-minute, we are in the middle of the midst of this fight. And this is Solana. So if anyone's in Solana, you may want to perk up a little bit. Pay more attention, definitely to mention. We're in this fight. If you see we got to the middle of the bands, well, we fought hard as a mother trucker. So I'm looking to see here and touch and then get another pump up. Test the top. I mean, show me a new buy, right? Show me a new high, I'll show you a new buy. There it is, 215, know what I mean? So the 215 level on Solana is something to definitely pay attention to. If we start breaking through the 215 again, which is here is the most likely scenario, I wouldn't be surprised. We're getting sideways action every 15 minutes. Yes, it sounds fucking nuts. I went to bed. I went to bed sleeping, saying, I'm going to be comfortable with going to bed with Solana at this level. Well, what did we do? We went sideways action for a long time through the midnight, as you see here. So this is even further. All the way through into it. Looks great. So Solana's doing sideways action. I don't see a consolidation right now. That's something to pay attention to as the levels on Solana, your mama, somewhere within this range. Let's see. Right there, I'm fighting. And let's see. So we're going to start doing color coordinations. And so a lot of people, it's funny, they asked me, Pete, a lot of my friends calling me, yo, would you do TA for this? No problem. I have no problem. But another one was asking me, hey, would you do me a favor? Would you... recommend buying Bitcoin at 50K right now? I said, no, fuck no. Why would I buy Bitcoin at 50K right now? I said, you're out of your mind. So look at these levels right now, 212. and 206 currently, 207, just about. We seem to be having this little, so let's get rid of this. Solana right now, and if you're interested, please hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications when we go live. You'll get this stuff immediately. You don't want to watch a past previous history. As you watch my videos as we go, it's already sucked a big one watching my previous videos, right? Because when you watch the previous videos, it's old news, and now you got a headache because you wish you watched Wall Street Pete have a seat, Sicto, and crypto, maybe get a treat. We do TA. It was a gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Used to, natural gas, heating oil, cotton, coffee. It was everywhere. It was awesome. Now it's the Van Gogh place. They knocked my place down because I guess they knew that the pandemic, all that bullcrap was coming, and they knew that no one would survive next to each other. Hundreds of people trading like that in the open outcry. So we left, and we got bye-bye for no reason, you know. And now I'm here on the show, so hit the like button. This is what we do for you. What do I see, Wall Street Pete? Even on the 15-minute, while you Jabba-Jaw Joan over here, I'm looking great right here. This is a W. If I ever seen one on the 15. Now, let's be honest, how strong is that? I'm not sure yet. Let me look at this. I looked at the RSI level, and it did look good. So, yeah, it's possible, ladies and gentlemen. It looks pretty good. We go to the 15-minute. And I do a little bit of TA here. It's just the RSI, so relax. Do your own research. I'm not a registered financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But we do this for entertainment purposes, and this seems to be a fun channel. We have a great community, and there's Sicto crypto news, positivity music every day, and we have fun. This downward sloping action here that we seem to have received on through the night, coming through on Solana with the sideways ever since we pumped through. To the 215. We're coming down, consolidating here on the RSI. So you really won't see it in the price, but we are consolidating on the RSI levels, which is beautiful because now we're at 47. And 47 levels pretty good. It's closer to the 30 for me. I like to trade in between the 70, obviously, and 30. Definitely looking to see this is the danger zone so I wouldn't buy or put a position in right now. But definitely, if you're already in Solana, you can dollar cost average on any dip. As of yesterday, we did have a nice dip, right? 2 days ago. It was crazy. You could see you could have bought the prices all the way out to 138. I happened to catch it at 159, right below the EMA average here, moving average, and I got lucky. But it was scary because it went to 138. Then I got some more at 163, I remember. And then I stopped. I got so scared, I'm not going to lie. I just stopped. So here we go. Some Algorand news, and then maybe we'll do some Algorand TA. And I might have to change the whole thing over and talk about this. Because Algorand's doing something not many people can pay attention to either. The crypto market cap is looking beautiful. That's for sure. 2.12 as we get there really quick. And why it's not, oh, there we go. And so now look, we are at coming back to the 1 trillion, 44, settling down, 28 billion. Cardano's at the 7 billion. Solana is, wow, 15. That doesn't surprise me. So in the last 24 hours, we're at 15. If the market, let me give you a little quick tidbit here. This is fun. If Solana catches up to the market cap of Ethereum, right? Market cap, almost a $500 billion. If we could catch up to Solana, which we're doing a fairly well share of it, we're looking at probably 20,000 Solana. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm saying that that's a possibility because, well, it would be now it's looking about 17,000. 17,000 Solana, 15,000 Solana if we're catching up because it's already moved. So if it did catch up, I'm looking at it was 20,000 when this was a little lower, but it's about 17,000. Could you imagine 17,000 Solana? Whew. Holy shit. As is now the 6th. So now, without further ado, we're going to go do some news here. Big news. El Salvador, September 2nd, as I did a little late here, to develop blockchain infrastructure using Algorand. This is the reason why we're getting a pump. This is the reason why this is going through the roof. They're going to use this through Bitcoin, as they now have, I think, over 55 to 500 Bitcoin now. 553 Bitcoin El Salvador is holding. They're going to do very well. El Salvador is going to come right through and kick some ass, Seabass. And this is great. El Salvador is working with the Cobonics, if I said that right, Cobanics, to leverage Algorand for government blockchain infrastructure. This is amazing. They joined the team, and basically what's going to happen is why they're going through the roof, buy the rumor, sell the news, and the news is going to be sold pretty soon here as it's old. So what's going to be great news there is you're going to see Algorand go through the roof, and they're starting to get involved, and I'm really happy about it. If you look at the data here, and this is something cool, Ethereum Solana price chart and analysis. They're continuing to look, and as I was saying, this is something I'm looking at. Currently, if the market cap came through, and this is my math, they didn't say this, but it would be about 17,000. I couldn't imagine the price being for Solana. So please hit the like, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 likes for the first time in ever. Solana's popularity as an alternative to Ethereum and the DeFi smart contract and NFT space continues to attract buyers and has now seen Solana over Ripple to become the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. If Solana is a genuine competitor to Ethereum, holders of Solana will be encouraged to buy. News that analysts at Standard and Chartered Bank recently put a value between 26K and 35K on Ethereum, a valuation that would allow Solana to appreciate even further if it came to pass. The recent surge in volume in Solana shows the market's appetite for its story. So, well, here it is. And pay attention, definitely, to mention the daily chart, September 9th, here we are. And damn, if you were involved and you took some of my videos, let's get a big shout out because it's overdue. A lot of people say don't FOMO in, but this was a network that we happened to FOMO in on the recent lower area here at the 116, 108. This is wonderful. So I did want to say that again. Congratulations. Solana's kicking ass and taking names. And this is great. Algo is up 15% on 24-hour basis and 72% on a weekly basis. FTX token, as we just went over, 17%, 21% respectively near protocol, gaining 25% and 98%, while Phantom is showing 24-hour gain of 34%. And a week-on-a-week gain in excess of 120%. So cryptocurrency market minus Bitcoin September 9th. This is looking really good. I'm loving it. We're in altcoin season, and I got some big news coming for you with that. What's going to happen with Bitcoin and why we're going to have some more altcoin season coming next. Definitely pay attention to the next. Good morning, my man. Emerald, what is happening? 15-minute. Let's get to the hourly. Let's talk about what's going on the hourly because it's a little more important. We got the bands tight. We flipped. We went bullish, as everybody knows. Now we're going to get some sideways action, maybe a little consolidation here. So we're going to go to the 4-weekly and see what Algorand, let's call it Algo because they got Algorand, Algo, and it drives me nuts. If I were to tell you right now, and I'm just looking at this chart, just keep this on record. 205, Algorand's breaking out right now. It's about to break out. Yes. So that's without any TA. That's just Wall Street Pete. Then when I start looking at it and I go to the hourly, I go, oh, I don't know how the fuck that's possible. Seriously, this is why you have to be careful because I just looked at the naked eye. I didn't do no research. Then we look at some serious TA. We're going to break it down now, and I'm going to tell you, no, it's not breaking out. It looked like it was, but that's why we got to pay attention, definitely to mention on the TA. The volume on the bottom, the volume is dying a little bit, as I see on that hourly. If you see the volume was huge, everybody's calming down on the volume. It's getting to sell off, and we're high as AF on the RSI level. So I would be very careful at this moment in time. Definitely getting ready maybe to take some profits. It's showing a double top and pattern, which is usually a bearish signal here for me on Algorand. I could be wrong. Very could be wrong, right? We've talked about that. This is only the hourly. And if I do look at that, that's going to maybe proceed to be a descending triangle. But I only have 1, 2, 3 legs up. So I may have one more leg up to go before we go down. So let's see where we're at. Excuse me on this. This is unprofessional here. It's very annoying. I'm sorry. But I'm going to show you one last leg up on Algorand because we're probably going to get one more. And then because people think I'm nuts and they're like, the fuck, he just said it's done. No. We're getting one more pull-up. And if we were to get one more pull-up, your pull-up's going to be right here. Okay? So that's probably the FOMOing in of this algo. 265, 260 level. I actually remember that being a situation. So look for that to be the top. I do see that could possibly be the top. That's a big deal. And if we don't go anywhere near there, then obviously you got your answer. As I'm not, this is not financial advice, but that could be the top if we're already not at the top. So please pay attention there on Algorand. But I'm looking to see to hit this point, September 9th, 13th hour, and hopefully see where we may get a little more because it's consolidating up, and then really be careful because I think we're going to form a head right there. And that's something on Algo I wanted to do for you. So we're going to do TA for Algorand, as I say it better there. And now we'll go to Bitcoin, as I wanted to give you some news because Bitcoin is going to be exciting here. Bitcoin has been bearish. Everything's been bearish. People lost money. There was a big dip. It was a manipulation. And I don't know if anyone understands this. I want to talk about this really, really quick because I feel like it's a conspiracy. All right. For weeks and weeks, we were going up. People had leverage trading for like a week. People don't trade on leverage trading for a week. When I do leverage trading, I trade out before I go to bed. Like, do you understand me? I don't go to bed on leverage trading. So what I want to talk about is this upward momentum. The whales knew on this upward momentum, if you see this line on there, because I wanted to do stream chat, team chat here. Everyone can see what's going on. This upward trend is ridiculous, okay? Now, if you look here, we're at, I sound ridiculous when I say that, 46 and a half, going all the way to 53,000. There was, for that time frame, August 31st to September 7th. So that's 2 weeks, ladies and gentlemen. You know what they did? They got together. They huddled up, and said, we're going to fucking destroy every person's long position. And we're going to gobble it up. And you know what happens when that happens? You get liquidated. Do you know what it does? It forces a sell action at all these prices. And I wanted to do that really quick to give you an understanding, because people don't know what happens. When you have to sell, well, there's always a buyer. Well, guess what? There's people making crypto and crypto buying. You're stuck selling at this huge wave falling down. You have to sell, liquidate, while all the whales go, here it comes. They know this is fucking coming. And this is a $7,000 dip in minutes. You understand me? That's why I say hit the like and subscribe, because no one is going to offer this to you, show you this simple stuff. Sometimes it's just common sense, ladies and gentlemen, and sometimes it's just analyzing and the fundamentals of getting what's really happening. They fucked everybody purposely. And you know what I did? I sold. I sold a little bit. A little bit. It's called dollar cost averaging. I sold the dollar cost average. That's it. I held my portfolio, stayed strong on most of them. And then what did I do? Well, I was strong on Harmony Token. So what happened when Harmony Token fell? This is a peer-to-peer network. It's a like unbiased coin to where it only allows people through the NFT world to be able to buy once. How you get your NFT cards, you can only buy once per wallet. Well, this is the fairness of what it is. It kind of does that kind of thing. It's kind of the engine that works that way, and I love it. It's going to be huge, and it's got huge potential and huge growth as it is doing it. I went heavy in Harmony, and my portfolio went up eventually. Everyone else is still recuperating right now in the Bitcoin world. Please tell me you're not. I believe everyone is. So unless you went heavy on Solana before it broke, or you followed me on Instagram, and that'd be something I'd do if I were you. Why? Because last night before I went to bed, ladies and gentlemen, I gave you this little tidbit 11 hours ago and said, if you look here, there's no higher highs than 197. No higher highs than the 198, 200. Yeah, 198 that we hit. What did I say? Solana is breaking out. Yes. Even I find this hard to believe. Holy shit. So, Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and Crypto. As I'm not a registered financial advisor, you may want to follow me on the Instagram. This is what I do for a living. This is my life. I live, eat, shit, sleep this. We talk about how there's a staking possibility. Another huge tidbit. Bullish as AF, they now have the newspaper adds Bitcoin price to the homepage. Big deal. More crypto news. If you like this crypto news, please hit the like button. Please share it to a friend. I'm a real guy just like you, trying to make some sick dough in crypto. And if you notice my Harmony, I dollar cost average out, and I then scream and shout because you already know what this channel's all about. Making sick dough in crypto, and you could have recently bought it at 9 cents, and that's what I did. And it is what it is, right? You could have got some. We took profits here at the 15 to start. That was the first level. We did it again. We bought the dip. We'll now have a sip. Take another more profit at the 16 level, hoping we can get all the way back to the 20-cent level. We'll really feel good then. That's the Harmony Token, Algorand we went over. Now the big Bitcoin news, and we're going to leave with this. I'll leave you all with this. Have a wonderful morning. Let's go Bucks, right? Yeah, because I'm a New York Giants fan, so you obviously know let's go Bucks. And we beat the GOAT twice in the Super Bowl, so please don't come at me with that shit. So here we are on the low, EMA, and this is the 1 hourly for Bitcoin. And I want to pay attention because we are pretty high on the relative strength index. We're the FOMO again is real. The hourly is pretty nice. I do like it. The trend is your friend as we hit a super low on that. And I do remember talking when we were right here. It was a nightmare, and I said this is a good buy. Came down again, test. Came down again, test. We're going to test right here. Look for Bitcoin to go sideways or up. But what happens either way that happens? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's altcoin season when that happens. I'm going to leave you with one more tidbit, and I haven't done this in a long time. the Bitcoin dominance. And for some reason, the Bitcoin dominance is not here. I guess everything got fucked up. Bitcoin dominance, as we need it. And you already know, hit the star. And we are a star. You are a star. The Bitcoin dominance we have to pay attention to. I want to see where we are at. I'm not a fan. Not a fan. Wow, which one is it? Does anybody know? I don't remember which one it was. I think it's this one. That's which one it was. Even that's not it. All right. Well, we still get our numbers here. Yeah, this is better. All right, so here on the Bitcoin dominance. What? Huh? Wait a minute. Excuse me? Wait a minute. Excuse me? When did this happen? When did we go above 50, ladies and gentlemen? When did we? No, this is not right. This is not the correct. Okay, so this is a different one because I know we didn't go above 50 on this. The one I had, this is the oscillator. I'm sorry. All right, so we're gonna have to find the new one. I'll get set up tonight. We're gonna do the new. We're gonna do the old one that I used to have, and we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin dominance because that one's not correct. That's with the oscillators. All right, so we have the EMA ribbon. As I told you, the EMA ribbon got tight. We got the bearish momentum. I seen it coming, but I didn't think we were gonna get this big dip. I thought 49,000 was the bottom dip. I did talk about it, and if you do TA, a lot of people know it's impossible to do the TA of this fall. That was manipulation, and that's what I'm trying to explain to you. There is no TA on that. That's complete bullshit. If someone tells you they saw this coming all the way down to this price, they were in on the motherfucking whale meeting. It's the only way it could have been. So when I leave you with this, sideways action is good, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I want to tell you. This sideways action, if this happens on this frame, and if we get this here, which is the 47 all the way through to about the 45,000. So we got 47, 45 range. If we can get sideways action, expect some altcoins to pump. HBAR has been killing it. Algorand has been destroying it. If you're interested and you want to get some and you want to be the FOMO, wait for it to dip down. I would suggest wait for the 190s area, and then you can get some in again. Somewhere around here, the 190 level would be about 187, actually. I don't know, 188. Like I said, what do I know? 187. It's going to come back, hopefully, through there because I'm planning on getting a little more. But you got to pay attention to some of these things because there's altcoin season here, and there's a lot of things that's going to happen. As Solana is coming down the 200 level since last night, we have not seen the 200 level. It is falling. Yes, I'm sick. I'm a sick bastard. Some people may say we're touching the EMA ribbon, ladies and gentlemen. This is exciting. I expect a huge comeback from this. I do. I'm really excited. I'm going to get rid of this. I want to do something because I didn't expect this to happen. I didn't expect this to happen live, so I'm going to do this live. This is really, 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 really effing flipping exciting. Ladies and gentlemen, you can go by this. I'm not a registered financial advisor, but if you've been following me and you already know, we like to make sick dough in crypto. Not a registered financial advisor, but if this touches down here perfectly, I'm game. Game. Let's go. So let me tell you right now, the likely scenario is a huge bounce back after this. Pay attention, definitely to mention this price right here, and it may already be done. Hit the like, subscribe, because we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we may be going tonight. 197.6, as this is volatile. Please pay attention. A double M bottom pattern is coming, and we're going to get a significant pullback. But the problem is we just got it not too long ago, ladies and gentlemen. When we did this at the 138, we could have got it. Like, that's disgusting. But anyways, we all know what happened. And a lot of y'all already are coming and breaking through. That's why my portfolio is going up. Maybe some of yours is going down because you're not in the correct network, the correct token, the correct coin. I'm not always going to win. I'm not always going to be right. But I do expect a huge pull-up after this. And we're back on Solana. It's amazing. This is just like a Solana friggin' video, and that's what I'm going to have to say. It's a big Solana video. I don't know if I would have bought a 202. I would have maybe bought a 197, 198. But to be honest, as I look at this, wow. Listen to me right now. We have, and I do believe that this is going to be bullish. We have 3 hours and 37 minutes. I am going to right now, promise you, 12 o'clock, afternoon, 12 o'clock, lunchtime, I'm going to create a video, It's going to be on Solana on what its move is right here. Can I predict what it's going to do? Yeah, I can. The worst move is 189. That's what I'm seeing from the Fibonacci sequence. And it's just a sequence. It doesn't always be correct. But I see this as the second scenario. My first scenario is this one, and that's kind of nuts because I did hear Anthony say he just bought. And Anthony, you know what? Good luck. Yeah, exactly. Because if you got to buy on the red candles. So you know what, Anthony? Not to be a douchebag. And I'm not being a douchebag. I'm actually being the positive guy. You bought on red candles, actually. You bought on 1, 2, 3. So, Anthony, look at it like this if you want to tell yourself something. I went to work, and for 8 hours, I worked an 8-hour shift. It fell. After I came out of work, I just bought more. Fuck it. Right? That's how I look at it. Then if you did it this way, which you did, you went, took a nap for another 4 hours, and then you really bought the dip, and now, hopefully, Wall Street Pete's Fibonacci level is going to take you to the moon. To the moon, Alice! And now, without further ado, we're going to go say goodbye. Have a great day. I want you to go with a nice little tune, right? We'll do that if you like the tune. As I do with everybody, I do that. It's a good day. We're talking about positivity. We talk about if you had a bad day, and honestly, if you woke up this morning, you've seen the rain, you live in Seattle, or you live where I do and it's raining in the tri-state, and you forget to mute that, and that's annoying as hell. I just want to tell you, have a good day. Wall Street Pete, sick though at crypto. Think positive, you get positive. Think negative, you get negative. It doesn't work with coins. It doesn't work with your money. But hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. And yes, we're going soon. Woo! Yeah. Gonna have a good day. La da da da. Yeah. Ain't no one gonna die today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby, yeah. We got Solana, it feels like my mama. And I really don't care, I'm gonna buy more. I'm like a freaking whore, I got this FOMO feeling. And that's what everyone is dealing with. It's okay. It's okay. If you hodl, you'll be okay. If you buy the dip, you might have a sip. This is the Wall Street Pete Sick Dough Crypto. I thought I'd let you know. Buy the dip, you can have a sip. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. Sick Dough in crypto. We're gonna have a good day. La-di-da-da. And if you like the guy, you better hit the like, subscribe. We're going on the moon. He used to work at the NYMEX floor. Please don't ignore. We used to do it for real. We used to do TA. I got bills to pay. I swear I don't play. This is the man. I do push-ups, man. I feel like I can't go to Japan. You now know who I am. It's Wall Street Pete, sick dough and crypto. I thought you'd know. Come on, yo. Hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon soon. I want to get my broom. I'll be a witch, bitch. I really don't care. I just want to make money so I can be the motherfucking one to make everything fair. The poor people are hungry out there. We got to feed everyone. Let's go. Sick dough and crypto. Have a great day. Wall Street Pete, I'm out. Scream and shout, baby. You know what it's all about. Woo! Yeah! We're gonna have a good day. La-di-da-da. Yeah. It's the DJ Wall Street Pete Show. It's rainy in my room, but sunny outside. I really don't care. I'll figure it out. We'll get the sun in here, we'll get the sun outside. It doesn't matter, going on a ride. Peace in, peace out, cup, sky.